Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you an application of these Eyelure Magnetic eyelashes. These have been out for a while. A lot of I always trip up on my words. A lot of magnetic lashes are coming out. I know there's a couple different brands with these. I have personally never tried them. I don't know why, I'm just not a fan of wearing lashes. I don't get lash extensions. I feel like my lashes are somewhat kind of long. I don't know. They've gotten shorter over the years from wearing mascara, which is kind of crazy. It's like the more you do to your eyelashes, the shorter they get and the eyelash hairs fall out. Like, I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna try these. This could go really bad or it could go really well. So we're gonna see how this turns out. This is literally my first time putting them on. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I actually did watch a couple other people's videos on this first. And one girl said to go ahead and put your eyeliner on before you put these on, because this, the tip of these liners that it comes with is a little thick. It's kind of thick. I used the Tarte one and it's a very fine point. So the instructions say to, right here on the back, apply 3 coats of liner across entire length of lash line. Allow each layer to dry completely. Then apply lashes directly to liner and press to secure. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. So take me on a trip, oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it.
Okay, so I did go back in and take my regular eyeliner and kind of touch up, because when I applied the lashes, they did kind of smudge the eyeliner that was already on there. This is how I feel. I'm just not a huge fan of lashes. I should have probably clipped these down a little bit, and I probably will. But I will say, for application wise, they went on way easier than glue lashes. I literally did this without a mirror. I was just like on my phone going smushing them down, and I just did it by feel. So I feel like if I had a mirror in front of me and I was like really getting in there, or I had like one of those little eyelash applicators, it'd be even easier. But I just put it on with my fingers and the eyeliner, and it just went straight on there, and I don't have the mess of glue everywhere, so I do really like them. I'm just, again, just definitely not a daytime look. I'll probably wear this for like maybe nighttime. Next wedding I go to, I'll probably use these. You know, when I'm doing makeup for wedding, I might get some of these for the bride, because they are a little pricier. But yeah, so next time if I wear them again, I'll probably cut them down a little bit because I did not measure. I was trying to like hurry up and plop them on before the eyeliner dried. But yeah, so here they are. Try them out. Like if you are a eyelash wearer, you might really enjoy them. These are the Eyelure London Magnetic lashes, and I will link them below. I got them from Target. I'll try to find them and put the link below if you would like to purchase them. And yeah, it says you get 15 wears out of them. So yeah, but this is them.